Hello and welcome to the CBD Essence Affiliate Program Training. Today we're going to be going over tracking links. This video is going to be a little longer than usual, but I promise you it's going to be well worth your while. So you're going to start by logging in to your affiliate dashboard. After you log in, your general link is actually right on the home page, right here. This is the link that if you use it will track any traffic that's directed to our website. But this link can actually be used in different scenarios because you don't want to just send people to the CBD Essence homepage. If you're trying to suggest someone using capsules, well, you're going to want them to be sent to the capsule page and you're going to want your tracking in there. And we'll go over that in this video. So I want to just start off with some basics. Obviously, that link on the top of your dashboard, your affiliate tracking link, that link particularly will go to the CBD Essence homepage. But what's really special is what's the actual tracking ID? It's not this whole thing. What's actually the tracking ID is everything after the /. So in this example, this affiliate, Dr. Banana, who's been nice enough to let us use his account, his tracking code is actually $A aid equals banano. And what's awesome about this is it can actually be added to any URL on the CBD Essence website. So particularly here, this is a 30 count capsule page. And we want to send people to that page and we want to make sure we're being tracked. So all I did was took everything after the / and my general affiliate link on that dashboard homepage, and I just add it. And let's see how this works in action. So I got an example already set up for you. So on this page, we would just really want to send for this capsule image to the 30 count capsule page. And let's see how that works. So I click it, here it is. Now I'm being tracked. And as you can see, that special tracking ID will still allow someone to get to the website. I hope this helped. Again, quick recap. You can find your general affiliate tracking link right in the dashboard. And you can add everything after the / to any domain, to any CBD Essence page, and it will track. I hope this helps. Again, if you have any questions, please email robert@cbdessence.net. Have a great day.